Welcome to Listaso. Fast and easy to use are two of the most common requirements our customers expect from us. That's why today we're going to go through some of our Bluetooth and integrated scanners so you can see how fast and easy your sales reps will go and save up to 50% of the time creating orders and invoices. Let's go ahead and get started. My name's Alfred, and in front of me we have a lot of different devices your sales reps will be able to use to get going from one customer to another a lot quicker. First, we have an Android scanner that's integrated with its own pistol attachment. This way, your sales rep can only scan real quickly all the items and get going. The same goes with this Bluetooth scanner that your sales reps can pair up with any Android or iOS device. There's a lot of different Android scanners integrated with their device, like you see here. We have another one, and then this one with a little bit bigger screen, so your sales rep can have a lot easier access to all the products. And then, of course, we have iPhones and iPads. So with these devices, there's a lot of different integrated scanners that you can use that come with their own case. But if you don't want to give your sales rep a bulky device or have another device like this one, a separate scanner, they can simply use the camera on the device to scan barcodes directly and easily add the products that they need. As you can see from the video, having an integrated scanner is a great advantage over your competitors, giving your sales reps the ability to go in and out of customers up to 50% faster. So if you want to learn more about some of the features our sales, inventory, and back office softwares have, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we'll go ahead and get in touch with you as soon as possible. Don't forget to visit our website, and we'd love to give you an online demo of everything Listaso has to offer your business. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.